When it comes to column marking survey in Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the best company to choose. With their expertise and commitment to high-quality work, they have established themselves as a leading provider of column marking survey services in Bangalore. The company understands the importance of accurate column marking for construction projects, as it plays a crucial role in ensuring the structural integrity and stability of buildings. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd uses the latest technology and equipment to carry out precise column marking surveys, ensuring that the columns are placed correctly and in accordance with the architectural plans. The column marking survey carried out by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd includes a detailed analysis and evaluation of the construction site. The team of experienced surveyors carefully examines the site layout, architectural plans, and other relevant documents to determine the exact positions and dimensions of the columns. They use advanced surveying tools and techniques to accurately mark the positions on the ground, taking into account factors such as soil conditions, load-bearing capacity, and structural requirements. This meticulous approach ensures that the columns are placed in the right locations, preventing any potential issues or structural failures in the future. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for its commitment to delivering high-quality results. The company understands that column marking is a critical step in the construction process, and any errors or inaccuracies can have serious consequences. Therefore, they prioritize accuracy and precision in their surveying work, ensuring that the column locations are marked with utmost care and attention to detail. Their team of highly skilled surveyors has extensive experience in column marking and is well-versed in using advanced surveying techniques to achieve accurate results. Choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for column marking survey in Bangalore comes with several advantages. Firstly, their expertise and experience in column marking ensure that you will receive accurate and reliable results. This is essential for any construction project, as it helps to ensure the structural stability and integrity of the building. Secondly, the company uses state-of-the-art technology and equipment to carry out their surveys, ensuring that the measurements are precise and reliable. Lastly, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is committed to customer satisfaction and strives to provide exceptional service at all times. Their team is responsive, professional, and dedicated to meeting the unique requirements of each client. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the best company for column marking survey in Bangalore. With their expertise, commitment to quality, and use of advanced technology, they deliver accurate and reliable results for construction projects. By choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your column marking needs, you can ensure that your building's structural integrity is maintained and that your project proceeds smoothly.